gravity assisted pulse motor generator project. Basically on the tilt table configuration. We're waiting for parts, so we decided to fabricate a deviation or a variation of the demonstrative wheel, where one side is always heavier than the other. Basically what I've done is I've added one-way bearings. Well, that one I have to replace the one-way bearings on that side. Let's see here if I can get it over. Oop. So basically we've added one-way bearings to the orbital weight so that as it goes up it shifts in, and then as it swings out, you can see the it'll once there's weights on it, it'll travel further. But so those are one-way bearings on the weighted lever arms, and then to drive the whole device we've installed the windshield wiper motor with a one-way bearing on the gear. Let's see here. Yeah, so we can we'll have a cam and a toggle switch out at the end, and we'll pulse the windshield wiper motor when at 12 and at 12 o'clock. So twice during one rotation it'll get pulsed to keep the whole device operating. And then we've mounted the bicycle wheel, so we can use the hoverboard PMAs, or the hoverboard motor, permanent magnet alternators to generate electricity. And this will give us the the best opportunity to actually have it work. So this will be on only for a short period of time, twice during each rotation. Maybe less than a second, or approximately a second during each RPM of the main arm. And then we'll have 20 pounds on each side, and as the weight swings out it'll make that side heavier, and it'll cause it to rotate. So bang, it'll trigger. Oh, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to add little crank arms with springs, so that as it flexes, or as it travels in, it'll set the spring, and as it gets to the top, it'll aid in the deflection of the weights to extend it as far out as possible, so that you get maximum benefit from the gravity and mechanical advantage. I don't know if you can see that, man. Big hawk. Ooh. Anyways, so that's kind of cool. We're going to put a brand on it, so we'll call it the Newfield Pulse Motor Generator. Yeah, there we go. Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor Generator. Newfield Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor Generator. There we go. Yeah. And this is very similar to the example video that I posted. The only difference is the lever arm and springs, and the one-way bearings on the weighted arm. So this is just to document my progress. I have a few more parts to fabricate, and we should be testing in a couple of days. Got to mount the PMA and fabricate the little lever arms with the springs, and then mount the weights and do the cam and toggle switch to turn it off and on, and we should be in good shape. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.